challenge is the spicy nacho cheese sauce. We're gonna each eat a spoonful.
Not spicy.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Go ahead. I don't care what you think.
No double dip. It's not hot.
I mean, it's level 1.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna be that hot.
Maybe it's a little bit compared to everything else. It's not hot.
Weird.
It's just on your lips.
It's not even spicy.
Strange texture.
It tastes weird.
It's not hot.
So, Luis, would you like to introduce the next thing we're gonna do?
Next thing we're gonna do is red hot. It's not that hot. So
We're doing shots of it. Oh my gosh, this would be
So
such
should we take breaks in between?
Nah.
Alright.
ready?
Are you ready?
Bottoms up.
3, 2, 1, go.
Hey, dude. It's not even spicy. What is he doing? It's just.
It's not the spice, it's just the texture of it.
It's bad.
I just need
Yeah,
to
it is really weird.
Now what?
The spice was fine, it's just like it's sitting in my mouth and I couldn't get it out of under my tongue.
Yeah.
And it just felt weird.
Yeah, the spice wasn't all that bad.
See that? See that?
1 second.
Thank you.
It was just the
Not
texture.
Weird.
So,
Especially when you just.
next we're going to be doing the Asian spicy noodles. I guess me and Carlos will start off. Here we go.
Wow, that hot sauce is terrible.
The spice is adding up.
That's less than everything else.
It adds to your ride. Did you swallow the hot sauce?
Yeah, wow.
I swallowed it too.
You,
Not a lot of noodles.
guys, I think we're gonna die for the world's hottest chocolate. Not gonna lie. I'm just gonna get a little sip, you know. It adds up.
Yeah,
The spice is definitely gonna stack on top of each other.
definitely.
So if we do die and one of us can grab the camera, it's like we all bolt outside or lay on the ground. If one of us can grab the camera, we do that. Okay, so Carlos, what is the next thing we're gonna be doing?
Sliced jalapenos. Jalapenos.
They're not that bad.
Give me the big red ones.
I'm not even eating a whole one.
Yes, you are.
I'm just taking a little nibble.
You're eating it.
Lewis, you get the one with the long tail.
No.
You don't have to eat the whole thing, just a little nibble.
Why can't I eat the whole thing?
You can eat the whole thing. I hate how
I might eat the whole thing.
you're going to.
Do we have enough jalapenos for all of
Give me
us?
the big one.
Yeah, there is.
It tastes good.
Oh yeah.
It tastes good.
Here, go
Most
ahead.
jalapenos.
Why are we going? I thought we were supposed to wait for each other.
Yeah, we are. Okay, are you ready?
Please.
Set. Go.
It's not hot.
It'll build
Yeah,
up
the
in a
red one's
second.
not even that bad.
Wait, that's a red jalapeno? I thought that was a tomato.
It might be. It's not even that spicy.
Okay,
Yeah, it's
it's
not that
definitely
bad.
worse
Yeah,
than
it's-
all the others. Well, not
It's,
bad.
it's built. The spice is building up.
Okay, so what is the next thing we will be doing?
What is the next thing we will do?
I think it's
So the next thing we're going to be taking is the bomb hot sauce Beyond Insanity. Yeah, here we go.
Are you guys ready for this?
Oh,
No,
wow.
I am not ready for this.
Oh, that you can't even go in. Oh, I got some. Look. Here, excuse me.
Lewis, put the dang milk down.
We need that for later.
Okay,
Swallow the milk
put the milk in
else.
the bed. Put the milk. Okay, are you, Lewis? Are you ready?
Let's
Yes.
do this.
That's a lot.
I don't want to dump it on this. Put it up here a little bit.
Okay, boys, you ready?
Lewis, do you have it?
No,
No,
I'm not.
we're
I don't
doing.
even know if it's as much as yours.
I'm not taking the whole thing.
Is that
I
enough?
better get the milk ready.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
Alright.
So wait. Before we take
No.
Put
this,
the lid on so nobody knocks it over.
That one's still as
Careful.
strong.
I don't care. Okay,
Keep the lids on.
keep the lids off. I'm gonna open it before we take this because we're starting to kick up the
Yeah.
levels here. Before we
We're gonna
do
need
it,
this yogurt.
we're gonna open the yogurt.
We should each get a spoon ready too.
That yogurt really helps.
Ready, boys?
All right.
3.
Are you ready? 2, 1.
Oh,
Oh, it
worse
tastes
than Red
horrible.
Hot.
Oh, it's on my
Just
Oh,
don't-
it's in my throat. It's in my throat.
Just don't swallow it.
Guys, don't try to.
Just don't
I already
swallow
swallowed
it.
I-
Don't swallow
It's on my
it.
tongue. It's on my
That's
tongue.
not-
It's on my tongue.
Oh man. It's not that bad yet. So
It
I'm
tastes horrible.
gonna
The
try-
yogurt, it help me.
I'm gonna
No,
try
I
to
can
wipe
do
it
another
out
one.
and
Go
you're gonna
ahead.
help it because it's not that bad yet.
It's not bad for you. My eyes are watering.
I might take the second one. I'm just kidding. No, it's just getting worse.
Yeah, that's not happening. Never mind. I'm not taking another one.
The yogurt doesn't help.
Milk.
Yeah, I see that.
No. You got a whole milk jug right there.
Guys, it's my tongue. It's the tip of my tongue.
Dude, I could do another one.
Yeah,
Milk.
It's not actually that bad.
Oh, it's getting in my nose.
God, it's the tip of my tongue. Bro, why did I do it?
You're just like sweaty.
Okay, how did it yours?
Why did I
All right, time for the second one.
Let's
Oh,
do
that
this.
milk.
Hey, I was eating that.
Oh, creamy.
Yo.
Yo, look at this, Jaden. Look at it. Correct.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, we're gonna make a mess.
we already were. Can I have another one?
No. Both gone.
Well, rip, we're gonna have to pause that.
Well, we'll just cut the video down.
That's a good idea. Easy edit out.
Oh.
Great.
I'm actually starting to sweat a little bit. I'm not looking forward to the peppers.
I'm not looking
Oh,
forward to
man,
the
it's actually getting
chocolate.
bad now. Like,
Oh, I forgot the peppers are.
you have some yogurt too.
Where's the trash can in this joint?
Oh, no, I need milk. I need milk.
No. What did he take? What did you do? I wonder what would happen now if you took
It's
the
so bad.
jalapenos again.
I wonder if we'll died already.
He's probably on the floor up there.
Probably.
I'm getting dizzy. I'm getting dizzy.
Where's the clean one?
Wait, we should bring a camera up and
Let's just go
Video
video
him.
him dead. Let me get rid of this cream. Oh, that is gross. It's chunky.
I think it's worse.
I'm dizzy. I'm not joking right now.
Get it to go away.
Will, just take it out, please. My parents will be mad at me if I was doing something that's stupid.
I'll see you clean it up.
Yeah, but it's
We're gonna take all of that and put it in?
No, I'll kind of cut out.
What are you gonna do with the rest of that sauce? Nobody's gonna eat that.
Oh, somebody will eat it eventually.
We should try it on a chip, because I heard that it's way less bad when you actually have it a chip.
Excuse me.
I tried it on a chip and it just burns.
Gert.
have what on a chip?
Lewis, we have 1 gallon left and we're not even
We
eating
need
the pepper
milk
yet.
for the peppers. We're just drinking all of our milk.
No, yogurt.
I'm about to throw up. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is bad. Maybe playing basketball would help.
Yeah, let's play
I
basketball.
need more noodles.
It's like giving me heartburn. I'm not bringing the camera up and just like videoing you.
Are we done?
Bro, it's
Are
my
you
tongue.
drinking all of
Hey
our milk?
guys, guess what? The peppers are next.
Yeah, we have to wait a little bit.
Oh, no,
Tickle.
Hey,
Wait, so my.
it's
Just go dump them out onto a napkin. Holy.
Just pull one
Dump them
out.
out on a napkin. Alright, now that we're back from that, it's time to eat, or we're just gonna lick the ghost pepper. That one didn't really play.
Are you ready?
Three. Oh, no.
2, 1.
Huh. I don't feel it. Do we have to nibble? We need to nibble. Grab a nibble. I can't feel anything.
Me neither.
Let's take a nibble.
Lick it a little more. That might just be fresh.
Okay, let's nibble. Nibble the ends. Ready? Go. Mine's not even hot.
It's not hot yet.
Here, let me
What
try
is
one more.
happening?
I'm doing it again.
Oh fuck! I just swallowed it.
Me too.
I don't feel anything.
Me neither. Does it take a little bit?
Keeping it on my tip of my tongue.
I'm not gonna eat the whole thing. Yeah, I can't feel anything.
The roof of my mouth.
It's not even working.
Here,
The roof of my mouth is a little bit numb.
Bite here.
Oh no. Wait, actually?
I don't.
The tip of my top of my mouth is numb, but I can't feel any burning.
I can't.
Okay, let's just bite it. Let's do this.
Okay, I'm just gonna cut it now.
I'm biting.
You're gonna bite those.
See you, boys.
Oh, no.
Spicy? Oh no.
Wow,
No, it's definitely not spicy.
Oh, okay.
Give me the milk.
Wait, see how long?
Give me the milk.
Go down milk. Did you bite it too?
the hot
A
sauce.
little bit.
Hey, you died.
Okay,
It's the worst than the hot
this
sauce.
is pain. It's not actual
Oh
hot.
man, now it's starting.
You gotta live.
Oh man.
Okay, give me
Okay,
that.
that's actually bad to me. Oh man. Oh man.
Well,
It's getting my throat.
Temporary relief.
I'm just gonna stick my tongue in there.
You don't feel it. It takes. That actually. Oh man. Imagine eating an entire ghost pepper. Oh, that actually is bad.
I love how we've only drank a gallon of milk.
Lick it.
Holy moly.
That hot sauce is nothing.
Phil.
Oh, that's level 3 right there.
Oh, it's not broken.
Did I hear correctly that you said you are out? Or do you
Think
still?
about it. We'll see.
Are you sweating?
Go back to the desk, figure out.
Are you sweating?
I guess so, yeah.
Alright guys, so for the next one, after that major disaster, Carlos will be sitting out for this round. He does not want to taste the pepper, but he's gonna do the chocolate. For this next one, we're gonna be doing a Carolina Reaper.
We're just gonna be licking.
We're not actually gonna bite it, we're just gonna lick it. So we'll see how this goes.
We tried licking the ghost pepper, but nothing happened. So.
True.
Okay, dump a few of these out and we'll mix them up with ghost peppers.
I'm
All
going
you gotta do
to
is-
bask in your pain.
They look
boys.
about like the ghost peppers.
They look
Oh.
bad.
These smell so much sweeter. I bet they'll just be sweet and not spicy.
Okay, well,
I'm gonna stick your tongue in
let's go.
that. I will get the least red one.
Oh, that.
Oh no, I don't want to.
crunchy.
I'm not gonna do that one. Never mind. It looks way more
Actually, I'm
red
not sure
than I
if that's
thought.
actually how it works.
Probably not.
But
Okay, I'll take a
Okay,
chance.
okay,
Oh,
okay,
bro,
guys.
this could be worse.
So we're just licking it, but this is gonna be so bad.
hey guys, you gotta put your entire, like, cover the entire side.
No, we're just gonna.
No, just a little like. If
I
that
don't think
doesn't
we're
do
gonna
anything,
feel
then
it though.
if that doesn't do.
Ready?
I mean, you'd probably be
Set.
surprised.
Go.
Oh, I forgot we were just doing a little like I went like.
Wait, did you feel anything?
I can taste it.
Do a bite like I did.
Very
It smells so
faintly.
weird.
Oh, no,
That's
I'm
my
done.
throat.
That smells horrible.
My mouth is getting. That bad.
Yeah, I think you have to eat like the inside.
I'm not even feeling it yet.
I'm not feeling anything.
And I licked it way worse than you did.
He's got it.
There's no way you feel anything.
Oh, I can feel it. It's creeping up.
Try to look inside.
Lick the inside. That
No,
should
no.
work.
That'll work better.
Cause
I didn't taste anything.
cut
I
it
might be
open.
dying in a moment, so.
Have you cut it open yet?
I could feel like just a tiny bit.
Oh,
I
that's
can-
gonna be bad, Will.
Don't eat it.
No, no.
Oh no.
You're gonna die.
You're gonna die. Do you feel anything?
What in the world's going on?
My breath smells terrible.
Oh, crap, it's in my throat.
Feel it?
Oh, now it's gone.
You feel it? It's starting.
We have drinking a lot of milk.
I don't feel
We've
anything.
eaten a lot of yogurt.
You have to cut it open. It.
Wait,
Ah,
is your yogurt strawberry?
yeah.
Mix
I
it
want
with
my
those
yogurt to
peppers.
be strawberry.
Oh, are you dying?
Oh, there it comes. There it comes. There it comes.
He's got
No,
it. Oh,
no.
you have to eat something else.
I'm starting to feel something.
It creeps up on
Don't
me.
lick it again. Don't lick it again.
Lick it again. You're gonna have to. I did it. I did it like 4
Jaden.
times.
You're gonna die.
Just one little stick in there.
I'm starting to feel something, but
Oh, he got it. That's it.
I didn't taste anything.
Okay, just give me that one. I don't feel like cutting it open.
I don't feel anything. How long does it take to start?
A good like 30 seconds and it will just creep up on you.
Oh,
Okay.
I think it's starting. I can't feel.
Dude, I forgot my
I
peppers.
can't feel anything yet.
Yeah, I'm
I
gonna
want to
regret
feel it, but I don't
licking.
want to feel it at the same
I
time.
know.
Guys, I'm taking one for the team.
Don't
For the
don't.
team.
Oh, I thought you were gonna eat it. No, don't.
How many are you gonna lick it?
Oh, I'm starting to feel it.
Oh! Oh!
Now you know how I feel.
Oh, what are you doing? Okay.
He's gone. He's about to throw up.
It's in my throat. There's a sheet in my throat.
Go outside.
There's a sheet in my throat.
Are you gonna throw up?
No, I'm not gonna throw.
Please
It's
swallow
burnt.
the yogurt.
I just licked a seed and I don't feel anything.
Is it worse than the ghost pepper, Bill?
I don't know. It's still green.
Oh, I feel something in my throat, but nothing's happening.
Dude,
I feel it a
we
little
just have
bit.
such a high tolerance. All of us.
You just gotta lick around it and just go.
Oh wow, that just sounds.
Oh, I got something on the bottom of my tongue, I think.
Oh.
I felt something start.
The bottom.
Well, because I was kind of
Just like
going circles.
go all over there because there's different kind of receptors on your tongue.
Yeah, I know.
It's on the tip.
Oh, the tip.
Okay, yeah, I got some on the tip. I think it's.
At least did he feel anything?
Are you dying? I don't feel anything. What the?
Just stick your tongue in
Dude,
there.
it's a ripoff. They're just red peppers. They're
Will's just faking it.
Just bite. No, I'm not. Just bite it and then spit that piece out.
Oh, don't do what I
Oh.
did.
I think I got something. I stuck my tongue in there. I
No,
tasted
just bite it and then spit the piece
I
out.
tasted it.
I think it's in the skin.
Does it taste bad?
Ew.
Oh.
It's starting, but it's not even hot.
It takes a bit and it just creeps up on you. So
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait.
I've waited a long time and it's not.
I tasted it. I literally
all you gotta
tasted
do,
Nothing
take a bite of
happened.
it. Don't actually
I
like bite
feel
it
a
off.
tiny, I feel a
Take a
tiny
bite
bit
of it,
burning.
And then let it out. We are heading to the world's hottest chocolate. This little.
Well, shook on it, and we're both gonna swallow it. You wanna join us?
Alright.
Let's do it.
Come on.
I'm not swallowing it. I'm
Come
sorry.
on, join us.
Me and Luis are gonna not. It depends on how bad it is. Okay, so
Just swallow it fast.
this little
Don't be
piece
that bad.
may be deceiving. This is the world's hottest chocolate. Carlos has got one. Jaden, take a seat. Ready,
I
bro?
don't want to do this.
Hey, Jim, cheers.
3. It's going on your tongue. You can swallow it. You don't have to. It's just on your tongue and suck on it a little bit.
You guys just swallow it with us.
I'm gonna get something ready just to get that experience.
I need milk. I need milk.
I need the milk.
I need
I'm
both
gonna,
the
if I'm gonna
yogurts.
swallow
Okay,
it.
here we go. 3, 2, 1, on your tongue.
You swallow it?
It disintegrated. Oh man. Oh, it's starting.
Hallelujah, glory days.
Oh man, I need milk. Oh man.
Have you eaten it
Did
yet?
you guys swallow it? Did you
you
swallow
swallow
it,
it?
Louise?
Oh,
That's bad. Oh man.
oh, it burned.
You not feel anything? You're just hiding it. Did you swallow it?
It's in my mouth still.
Oh,
We have
you
to
chew it. Chew it.
Oh, throat. Wait, Will, did you swallow it? No?
Excuse me.
Oh, man.
It's in my throat.
It's in mine, too. I swallowed it. The throat is the worst part. My mouth isn't hurting at all.
Give me the. Boo, please.
Oh, that was not a good idea. Oh, I hate that.
Milk.
Do not try this at home.
Give me the
When
milk.
you're at home. Eat the yogurt's helping a lot. My throat is on fire. My mouth isn't on fire at all. My mouth doesn't hurt.
Everything.
Holy, that is bad. Should we play basketball?
Where's the trash can?
Why are you not like doing this?
I'm gonna pick it up right now.
Oh man. We grabbed a camera to video of him. My mouth doesn't even burn, my throat does. Oh, that was bad. It's starting to go away, but. Definitely not eating another one though. That's
I'm gonna
bad.
be honest with you. I was affected most by the hot sauce.
You ate the chocolate and swallowed it?
It was all melty and stuff. I spit it out. So I don't know.
My throat feels like I have really bad strep throat right now. Literally how it feels like I'm sick and I have a sore throat. It was worse earlier, but oh, that's bad. Oh, definitely not as bad as I was expecting it to be. But
Bill, I threw up.
You.
you did? You feel better now?
Kind of.
Thankfully, I don't feel like throwing up. But my throat was just on fire.
Dude, throwing up actually helped a lot.
Did it hurt just as much going up as it was going down, or?
Oh, I mean,
I heard stories that people throw up from stuff and it's hurt.
It's over.
No, it's not.
Have you already stopped the camera?
Real.
Oh.
It burned. It's on
I
my
honestly feel like the ghost pepper was the worst part.
Yeah, it was. It was just the taste. And like,
My mouth and throat was both on fire, but this one, just my throat was hurting.
There's one that's my tongue. I couldn't.
okay, just the tongue.
I almost finished the yogurt.
Maybe it's different for every kind of person.
that's not how it works.
Sure it is. Different genes create different tongue traits. Oh, there you go. He's about to throw up too. Dude, seriously? Nah, he's just coughing.
I think he's just swimming out his milk.
You're passing of milk, and I'm getting you are.
Yeah, I should have waited a little bit to use this, see how bad it actually got.
Yeah.
That helped pretty fast. But my throat was like terrible.
It's the consistency.
There it is. Will threw up too.
And it's cold, and it's a little bit sweet.
Will threw up too.
He did.
Yeah.
Boys,
It
it
feels so
helps.
much better,
It
right?
It helps.
It's because you got the terrible taste.
The only thing that happened to me was my throat was just on fire. That was the worst part. Like, I felt like my throat was like had blisters in it. Like it was terrible. But the yogurt helped really fast.
I'll never do that again.
I'm pretty much done with it.
Dude, that was fun. The throwing up helped a lot.
Well, the throwing up part was fun.
The one chip challenge would be much worse than any of this.
Let's never do that, shall we?
Yeah.
What is the one chip challenge like?
Well, so you eat a couple chip and then you have to wait like 5 minutes and it just gets worse.
Phil,
People actually start shaking and
Oh my word. You gotta clean that up. It's disgusting.
No. Well, you can definitely tell you have yogurt.
yeah.
Bro, it's the yogurt.
I never even felt like throwing up.
Oh, okay. Don't eat yogurt and milk together.
It's bad.
You know, yogurt is made of milk, right? It's fermented milk.
Can you do that,
Yeah. Yeah, I think this spice is like all the way gone now. Thankfully. How do you feel?
Crap. Just threw up twice.
Do you recommend other people to eat the chocolate?
No. Do not try this at home.
I do recommend you eat the chocolate.
Well, nobody cares about your opinion.
Oh.
All right. How was the chocolate?
I've had it once before, and I have to say this time was much worse.
Well, what was the worst part of this challenge to you?
Throwing up.
Well, I mean, which part of the challenge?
The ghost pepper. It tasted bad. It smelled horrible.
I think I would agree with that one. The Carolina Reaper didn't do anything. I think you have to actually eat it to actually feel the spice.
On a scale of 1 to 10, it was like a 6.
The Carolina Reaper or the chocolate? Because the chocolate's basically the hottest you can
The
get.
chocolate was not hot.
You just did.
I mean, it was.
You just gotta suck on it a while. And
I did. It was all melty. When I